Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use OBS Screen Recorder for gaming. OBS Studio is a powerful and free tool that allows you to record high-quality gameplay on your PC, and it gives you full control over video, audio, and performance settings to create smooth gaming recordings. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up OBS properly for recording your games on Windows. And here's how to use it. First is to turn on your Windows PC and connect to the internet. Download OBS Studio from the official website and install it. Launch OBS Studio from your desktop or Start menu. When prompted, run the Auto Configuration Wizard for optional settings. In the Sources panel, click the plus button. Choose Game Capture for full screen games, best option for gaming. Then hit OK. Choose Capture any full screen application or select a specific game window. Click OK and make sure your game preview appears in OBS. Add audio input capture to record your microphone. Add desktop audio to capture in-game sounds. Now go to Settings, Output, and choose your recording quality and file format. If make changes, click Apply and OK to save it. Open your game and keep OBS running in the background. Click Start Recording in OBS before you begin playing. When finished, click Stop Recording and find your video in the default videos folder. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.